Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be installing these LED lights right here into my 2001 Toyota Corolla. If you're new here, welcome to the channel and don't forget to subscribe. So I've been wanting to install some LEDs into my car for a while now. I drive during the night because I'm a swing shifts person, so I want some brighter lights to be able to see. I drive probably 100 plus miles a day, so I thought this would be a good benefit for my safety and also have people see me because I'm in a small car, so I don't want to be ran over by a semi or something. So let's go ahead and install these things and see how they do. So these are the lights that I purchased. I could put a link down below for them. Come in a really nice box. Actually had plastic wrapping, I took it off. I believe these are some zip ties and some sticky stuff for the little manifold things or whatever they call these. Even my cat likes it. That's how good it is. So I got a total of 4. I got some for the regulars and the high beams. So let's see how it works. And it got some 1-year warranty. Pretty nice. So let's go put them on. Okay, so I'm putting in these lights now. Just remember that they go in a certain way. They don't just go in all kinds of way. You have to put them in a certain way to line them up in there. The brights is gonna be the 9005 and this one's going to be the 9006. So we're going to go ahead and install these things. Let's do that now. And also something to remember is, see the plus and minus right there? That is going to be the top of where this clip, so match it up together because that's how it's going to have to line up for the positive and negative, because they possibly might not work if you have them backwards, because the other side also has a clip. I don't know if you could see that. There we go. Also has a clip, so you just want to make sure that you have it the right way where it's not going to work and you're going to have to flip it. So you're going to have to push these in really hard because of the O-ring, and that's good because it's going to be a tight fit. It's not going to be wobbling around. So just, it might not seem like it fits, but just make sure that you got the prongs lined up, and then you're going to have to push really hard and twist to get them on there. And that's pretty much it. They're really easy and simple to do. So let's go test them out. So I'm also using this turtle wax to clean off my lights, so you can see that one. This one actually has been replaced, so it's a lot clearer, but this one hasn't. This headlight is probably literally from 2001. That's pretty clear, not gonna lie. So if you could tell, it says Toyota there, and I definitely wouldn't have bought a new lens or anything for this because I know they're probably like 200 bucks. So this is definitely from like 2001, and it looks really good after that turtle wax. So I'm going to show you this one after. You can see all the bugs on there. See how it goes. So that's a little bit better. I also used a little bit of Windex afterwards. Not sure if I'm supposed to, but just to seem like it cleaned it off a little bit better. I don't know if there was any residue left over. Seems pretty good. So, all right. Now we go test these things out.